Good day, class. So, for our lesson for today, I am going to discuss the connectionism theory. So, what is connectionism theory? Connectionism theory is based on the principle of active learning and is the result of the work of the American psychologist Edward Thorndike. This work leads to Thorndike's laws. According to these laws, learning is achieved when an individual is able to form associations between a particular stimulus and a response. The three main laws are the law of readiness, the law of exercise, and the law of effect. Okay, class, for this day we are going to start our oral recitation, and the one who answers the most will get a point. So let's begin. For the first question is, what is the importance of myth in human culture? Yes, Baton?
It is a constant reminder of who we are and where we came from.
Correct. Next question. In Greek word, what does the myth derives from? Yes, Baton again.
Mythos.
As you can see in the scenario 1, the teacher applies the law of effects. The teacher gives a reward to the student so that the student will encourage to participate because of the reward. Law of effects stated that a stimulus and response is the consequence is positive.
Okay, class, we will be having an oral enumeration about Olympian gods. Okay, now may I call on Mr. Bahenting. Please enumerate the 12 Olympian gods.
Okay, ma'am. The 12 Olympian gods are Zeus, Hera, Poseidon, Demeter, Athena, Apollo, Artemis, Ares, Hephaestus, Aphrodite, Hermes, and either Hestia or Dionysus.
Very good.
As you can see in scenario 2, the teacher applies the law of exercise. When we say the law of exercise, it is the relationship between a stimulus and response can be reduced or enhanced. In this way, students easily remember and become familiar with those words.
Good day, class. So for today, I will be going to ask some questions for our oral recitation. We tackled earlier about the introduction of mythology. So for my question is, when did the word myth originate? Betonio. Just take your time, Mr. Betonio.
The earliest evidence for the word is from 1830.
Very good. You may sit down.
As we can see in the last scenario, the teacher applies the law of readiness as stated that the law of readiness is the degree of students' preparedness and eagerness to learn. And we can observe here that the teacher in the scenarios filled her question first before calling his student, which is Mr. Bitonio. And other than that, she gave Mr. Bitonio an enough time to completely process his answers. In that way, the teacher here is effective and the student here has a satisfaction to learn.